Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking and another installment of Soul Food Sunday. Today, I'll be making peach cobbler. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You will need 3 pounds of frozen peaches, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of butter, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1 box of pie crust. Place your dough in the bottom of your baking dish, then lightly sprinkle with cinnamon and sugar. Now gently rub it in to evenly distribute. Using a fork, poke air holes into your dough, then transfer it to the preheated oven and allow it to cook for 10 minutes. Using medium heat, bring your pan to temperature, then melt your butter. Now add the peaches to the pan, then cover and allow it to cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add the nutmeg, cinnamon, brown sugar, and sugar, then mix until your sugars have dissolved. Add the lemon juice, then vanilla extract. Mix, then cover, and allow it to cook for an additional 10 minutes. Ladle your peaches into the baking dish, then top with your remaining dough. Sprinkle with your cinnamon and sugar, then transfer it to the preheated oven and allow it to cook for 45 minutes. I'm so excited for the return of Soul Food Sunday, so search the hashtag Soul Food Sunday, and please head on over to Smokin and Grillin with AB, Cooking with CJ, and Camirra's Kitchen to see what they're cooking up this Soul Food Sunday. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.